Everyone, this is Kuldeep Sharma and I am working here as Assistant Professor of Pharmacology in Guru Gobind Singh College of Pharmacy, Yamunanagar. So today in this particular session we are going to talk about Addy's hot plate method. So for what purpose we can use this particular apparatus? This is basically used to check the analgesic activity of any given sample. Whatever the compound, it could be central analgesic. Specifically central analgesic is basically used, like morphine you can use. So how you will perform the experiment on this particular apparatus? Firstly, you need to turn it on, right? So once you turn it on, the basic specification for this instrument is you need to maintain the temperature at 55 degrees Celsius. During the entire experimentation procedure, you have to maintain the temperature of this particular apparatus at 55 degrees C. So once you maintain and once you stabilize the temperature at 55 degrees C, then you will start doing your experiment. So how you will perform the experiment basically? Firstly, you will weigh the animal, then number the animal and divide it into two groups. Or you can perform the same control as well as test sample compound on the same group as well, right? So how you will do it? Once the temperature is maintained, you will take the basal reading first. So for taking a basal reading, you will place the animal, specifically this is used for the mice. You will place the animal in the jar that you can see over here. Once you place the animal over here, then animal will start feeling pain, right? Because the temperature is around 55 degrees C, so it will give the pain to the animal, and once the animal will start feeling pain, it will respond against the pain. How it will respond, what kind of responses it will show? It will show the jumping response, right? So once the animal starts showing the jumping response, that time basically you have to take as a basal reading, right? So normally 6 to 8 seconds is basically taken by the animal to show the jumping response when animal is start feeling pain. If there is one important thing, if animal is not showing any jumping response within 15 seconds, if 15 seconds is there and still the animal is not showing any jumping response, then you need to isolate that particular animal from your study. So once you have recorded the animal has shown the jumping response in 7 to 8 seconds, you just note that reading, right? Keep out the animal, and what you will do, you will move to the next step. For moving the next step, you will inject your test sample, whatever the compound you have, it could be morphine or any other analgesic, right? Once you inject it, after injection, you will wait for 25 to 30 minutes. After 25 to 30 minutes, you need to repeat the same procedure. You will keep the animal again over here. You will again notice the jumping response, how much time is being taken by that particular animal for showing the jumping response, right? So you will see, once you have administered analgesic compound, the time taken for jumping response, for showing the jumping response, it will rise because you have given the analgesic compound, right? So after analgesic compound, after administration of analgesic compound, the time will be increased. Animal will feel the pain, but it will take more time as compared to the control animals, right? So once you will note that time, you have to take 4 basic readings, 4 basic at different time intervals. After 5 minutes, 15, 30 or 60 minutes, you have to record the time taken for the jumping response at different time interval, and finally you will calculate the percentage analgesic activity by just deducting from the test minus control upon 100, and that you will find that animal is that particular compound is analgesic or not. So this is how you can perform this particular experiment. Thank you very much.